Oh my god, we are back again with another beautiful look. This look, okay, I'll be very honest. Camera is not able to justify this eye look because it is so beautiful in real. It looks amazing. It is all that wet, dewy look, the fashion of highlighting the face. It goes well with that. So the trick is very easy to do this look. You just need a concealer, create 3 lines like I have done it. Now why we are creating 3 lines? For me it is super easy. I can just go back different colors, but for my learning girlies, I just want to show you how you can do it easily. So go with the whitest champagne color and end on the first line. So when I say end on the first line, just back until the first line ends, and then go with the pink shimmer and blend in between the first and the last line like a V shape. You can see, if you look closely, you can see the lines. And then I went in with a dark bronzy shade in the outer line. Now why I decided to go with this concealer, is it a trend or something? No, it's just I want you guys to learn it easy. So if I want, I just can pack 3 shades using finger or brush. But if you see the lines, then if you're a beginner, you know where to stop. Now another pro tip, you will be like, how do I blend these shades? Obviously I'm going to tell you, but before that, go ahead and apply the bronze shimmer shade in your lower lash line. Absolutely divine color, beautiful palette. This is Anastasia Sultry palette, which I forgot to mention in the beginning. And then I went in with the clean blending brush from Morphe. Any blending brush will work. Now the trick is, start with blending lighter to darker. Start blending lighter shimmer shade, bring it to the center, and then then go with the bronze shade and blend an outer corner. Make sure to not bring your bronze shade in the inner, otherwise you will look very, very dark and you will say that I didn't tell you that. No, I did tell you. And then go with the glitter and pack it on center of your lid. You can go with any glitter, copper, gold, silver. I did with whatever I had in my hand, and I went in with coal in my upper waterline and lower waterline. Oh my god, that looks crazy. Yeah, but in the end, the look is looking so pretty. Go with mascara and lashes if you want to. I didn't want to because I wanted to keep it beginner friendly and super natural and easy to do. So this is technically my first eye look without lashes on YouTube. But go subscribe my channel and I will see you in my next video.